Oh no, that is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. If you are not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey booze, how you guys doing? Anyway guys, today as you can tell, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling bold, I'm feeling wild, I'm feeling vampy, I'm feeling Halloween period. Guys, I come up with this kind of a beautiful fall / Halloween. The least I could get for now is this. You know how we do it. There's any further rumbling, no long talk. If you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this eye and lip combo, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy it. Bear in mind, I'm into this looks 247 period. You guys, as always, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take your love is ciao. Mwah. Go ahead, and I also prime my eye already a little bit because I use the rest concealer, the one I used to clean my brow bone. I just apply it all over my eyelid for the main time. We're using these two palettes to achieve this eye look. This one is by Too Faced Just Peaches Matte Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette, light to dark. I'm going to start with this shade right here, and which is called Fresh Poked. This one right here, this brush, and it's called Blender. I'm going to start blending. I'm just firstly apply it on my outer, and then I go ahead and transfer it. At the same time, I'm just blending. I'm going to keep applying that shade until I see that it's pronounced already on my crease. In with this shade right here called Just Rip. This one right here, Just Rip. I believe we are doing the halo eye look or half cut crease, but let's see how the blending of our crease turn out. So with that, I can really figure out which shape of eye I'm going for. Blending, a lot of blending, less eyeshadow, blend, because we are going for a very bold fall eye look. So if you start from the beginning, black shade, darker shade, you will mess it up. So just start from light to dark and take your time to blend without you stressing yourself, okay? If that makes sense. And it's also from Juvia's Place, and this one is called G117 Precision. This one right here. I'm going to take this peach tart. This one right here, peach tart. This one is a very beautiful chocolate color. The socket of my crease, which is right here. I'm going to make sure that that shade is really pronounced. As you can see already, the dimension. When you apply a little bit, just blend it out until you're satisfied with the way the blend turned out. I'm going to use the same brush, but I'm going to be using the smaller one and dipping my brush into this shade right here, this beautiful burgundy rich shade. Wow, this is not the first time I'm using this. I keep going in when I know I'm going for that beautiful, really rich burgundy eye look. This palette right here is the best. So I'm just going to start from my outer corner. You see the way I'm twisting my brush to make sure my outer corner it's already, you know, has that beautiful shade before I go in and spread it to the area I want it to be. Girl. Brush in number 5. I'm going to take this beautiful dark chocolate, and it's called Chocolate Drop. So I think I'm going for half cut crease, okay, not halo eye. As you can see, we still have that burgundy popping out. This one right here, I'm just going to dip my brush just a very tiny bit and blend out the edges before I go in with my brow bone highlight. First, I need to maintain the edges of my crease, baby girl. Period. No, mama, I will use as a base L'Oreal concealer. I don't need to mention the name anymore. You guys know, you know the deal. You know how we do it. I'm going to be taking this Suave Eye Blender 225. Okay. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, Chocolate Drop. I'm just going to apply that around the perimeter of the first shade, which is the burgundy, and I'm dabbing it around. A little bit of smoking effect going on. Patchy, you know, I don't want to be patchy, not too patchy, isn't patchy, but I don't want to be patchy, or I don't want to be too dark. You know what I mean? I want to have that burgundy popping, dropping, popping like a tap period. I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm going to apply it right there. It's beautiful. Wow. Come this one. I'm just going to apply that on my inner corner. Oh my god. Oh, what were you thinking, girl? This is a look. What were you thinking? What were you thinking? What were you thinking? Oh my god. Upper line and my waterline with the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. Taking this Louvier brush, and I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm just going to blow that on my under eye. First, I'm going to tap it so that we don't lose it. I want it to be bold. I'm in the mood of bold vibe. Okay, in with this shade, attraction. You know how we do it. Attraction. Back to smudging. To remove the excess powder and go ahead and line my upper line. I'll be right back, baby girl. Boom. Mascara, I'm going to be taking this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Yeah, maybe 2 years I've not used these lashes, so I'm thinking, should I use this or should I use this? Looks like, let me come closer. This is how it looks like. These two right here, this one is a separate one, these two right here. It was not a good idea at all. Yes, now we are swacking. Now we are swacking. Light my inner corner. I'm going to be taking this beautiful copper shade right here. To line my lips, I'm going to be taking this MAC lip liner. This one is a Night Mall, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Night Mall dark lip liner. When I'm going for bold lip, I always like to use this lip liner before I go in with the main lip, with the main color. My lip, I'm going to be taking this Sleek Makeup lipstick. Oh, super dark. Like, this is really dark. Okay, this is called Mulberry. Super dark purple. Okay, it's a super dark purple. Yes, that is what we are saying.
Get out the grave, I know you, boy. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, babe. How sad.